but we say we are concerned. And under the Constitution of Nigeria, you have freedom to confer, to associate. You have freedom to ventilate your anger. That is why when an injury is meant to one, it's an injury to all. As regard whether we are still NULGE or we are not under NULGE, we said we are concerned. Association of Local Government Workers, and the process is in pipeline, you understand, but pending when we have the approval, we have every right to ventilate our interests and our anger to the people. And that is why we select this medium, that we cannot just keep quiet, because got to a time I felt rejected, that this kind of time met me in the service. How could you for 8 months? It's too much. It's uncalled for. If you are happy to be our position, you will do more than what we are doing. It's not issue of paying salary. We are responsible professionals. I'm an accountant, not ordinary accountant. I'm a certified accountant, and I know what they call ethical conduct. How could I be collecting salary which I don't work for? In year 2000, when I wrote my appointment, I begged to apply. I applied for the job, not to be giving me salary free without working. And let me tell you one thing, everything has blown open. Ogugba and Egbe time is okay. He's only using us to, as a profit oriented system. They are using it to make money. He's not paying his staff at NULGE Secretariat, but he's have the means of collecting money. How is he sustaining himself when he's not receiving a deduction to pay salary of his staff? That is that. We are agitated, we are concerned. Some are still under NULGE, you understand. But when they say the people of likely mind, is the politics or unionism is about ideology and principle. And since our principle fall in the same line, we come together. A lot of people are outside there. It's only we decided not to jam-pack this place with people. From Ife, from Ila, from Ikire, everywhere. You understand? That is why when we say we are under NULGE, we are under NULGE. If you say we are concerned, we are concerned because we are agitated that cannot continue like this. We have the asset he has made through this struggle. He's a civil servant like us. Go and do your in-depth investigation, the kind of lifestyle that he's living. Is that the way union was designed? There are difference between unionism and executive position. If you want to serve your people, you serve with everything you have, even with your own personal money. But with what we have today in Osun State, we don't have NULGE, and we have set a very bad precedent to other NULGE in the other state. But thank God, autonomy has come. We lead, then the other state will follow. Now, we talk of a tax audit. We are talking of audit. I'm an accountant. I understand what it takes. It will be very stupid of the employer that want to pay your salary not to know the numbers of staff and the category of staff that he has in his establishment. And that is exactly, if you look at that, the content very well. I said the privileged information we had. I'm not saying affirmatively, but because of the nature of my profession as an accountant, I know it's expected. Before you can pay our salary, you must ascertain. Before you can, pay for personnel costs. That is what they want to do. And we are calling our people, they should get prepared, because we don't want to be burst into corner. That is why we said we should prepare for that auditing. And when you are talking of autonomy, what is autonomy? Freedom. The person that is an accounting officer that will be answerable to the inflow, you have to know the people that you want to pay to account for the outflow too. That is the position. Then the salary. Anybody that reported on 6 this coming week is collecting salary under APC government. You understand? But the issue of double salary, I don't know what you mean by double salary. Because if the APC is magnanimous enough that they say, okay, all these while that you are at home, that I want to compensate you, pay another salary, we will collect it. That is it. Because we are fighting for the interest of our people. That is the basis. Then they say in what capacity? I've answered it. We are concerned, and I'm the chairman of concerned group. This is my secretary. We didn't hide it. We had our own separate May Day. You understand? We didn't hide it. We are comrades. We are not politicians.